Hello heroes, Joe Smith here, coming to you live from the Youngkin for Governor celebration party in Virginia. Virginia and New Jersey flipped red tonight for governor. Both switching Democrat governors over for Republican governors. Or both electing Republican governors. I think the previous governor of Virginia was a Democrat, after you check on that. You know, Joe Smith lives in Arkansas and doesn't visit Virginia too often. But both New Jersey and Virginia had governor elections for governor today, and both have elected Republican governors. You know, one thing that Joe Biden can brag about, and Kamala Harris, their first 6 months of office, they've done something that no other president and vice president have done before. And that's caused half the country to switch political parties. So we're going to go ahead and fly back to the office in Arkansas here real quick. Hold on just a sec. Okay, just got off the plane here in Arkansas, back home, back at the office here. We got, here's the election results. November 2nd, 2021 election results. Virginia governor race. Glenn Youngkin beating Terry McAuliffe. Joe Biden and Kamala Harris all campaigned hugely on McAuliffe's behalf. Here, New Jersey, where Philip Murphy, a Democrat, or independent Democrat, something or other. Not sure if that's what the either means. But he's been president there, or not president, governor there. Yeah, just made a Joe Biden gaffe. But Philip Murphy's been the governor there, and as you can see, Jack Seatart, not even going to try that. Joe Smith has some reading and pronunciation problems. But Mr. Jack, Republican, he's predicted to be the winner there with 85% reporting, of course, 93% reporting there in Virginia, where Joe Smith just kind of flew back from. Yeah, there's some others. Oh, Minneapolis to vote on changes police department. Minneapolis had this on their ballot today. Should the Minneapolis police departments be removed entirely? A city without police departments. Over 80,000 people, with 100% of the precincts reporting, 56% said no. Almost 63,000, almost 44% say yes. That's kind of scary. Almost half of the city wants to be without a police department. Wow, wouldn't that be interesting if they actually got their wish? You know, maybe we should set up a place somewhere with no police for all these criminals, since apparently half of Minneapolis are criminals. Drug addicts, probably. Child abusers, probably. Why don't we set up a place where they can all live? And since there's already so many in Minneapolis, well, why don't we just move all the people that want police out of the area? And then that way the rest of the country, people in the rest of the country, other states and cities that Want to live somewhere with no cops? Well, they can move to Minneapolis, and we'll just build a wall around the place to where no one else can get in or out, and we'll just see how long it takes for them all to kill each other. And just going through some couple other re-election results there, nothing too important. Couple primaries. Wait, hold on a sec. Joe Smith here, just getting an announcement through the earpiece from producers here at Joe Smith News Network. They're saying that the Youngkin for Governor party has been suspended temporarily because they just got in 81 million absentee values and 100% of them are voting for Terry McAuliffe. So it looks like Terry McAuliffe is going to win by 81 million votes tonight from these absentee ballots that have arrived here at 2 a.m. Man, that was such a close race. Youngkin was so close until these 81 million absentee ballots arrived in the middle of the night. Dang it, don't you just hate it when you have an election that happens? You think your guy won, and then in the middle of the night you have 81 million absentee ballots for the other guy arrive. Wow. That's amazing. Well, guess we're going to go to bed here, and we'll see what the result is in the morning. Thanks for watching. Ben Joel Smith signing out.